Hello all, I am Sanmati Shataknawar.
And I am Sanjay Kumbar.
We are from Global Business School and we are here to present on Fortune 500 company. And the company we have chosen is Nestle. History of the company. The company begins in the year 1866 with the foundation of Anglo-Swiss Condensed Milk Company. And in 1905, the company merges with Anglo-Swiss Company and forms Nestle Group. Belle Epoch, it is known as Beautiful Age. This period is called as Beautiful Age because as it was the period of World War I and the company gains majority of the profit and becomes a global dairy company. So it is known as Belle Epoch or Beautiful Age.
Survival during the wartime. Due to war, the demand for the condensed milk increased, but shortage of raw materials hampered production of Nestle during the wartime. Riding out the storm. The outbreak of World War II in 1939 affects virtually every market, but Nestle and Anglo-Swiss continues to operate in difficult circumstances, supplying both civilians and armed forces.
Greater consumer convenience. As it was the post period of war, it was marked as growing prosperity, and new products like Nesquik and Maggie was introduced as people from US and Europe was able to purchase and was able to buy the products like refrigerators and freezers.
Towards nutrition, health, and wellness. Following years of growth, Nestle disposes of unprofitable brands and promotes those that satisfy increasingly health-conscious consumers. With its new nutrition, health, and wellness ambition, the company expands in US, Eastern Europe, and Asia and targets for global leadership in water, ice cream, and animal food.
Creating shared value. Nestle articulates creating shared value approach to the business for the first time and launches Nestle Coca Plan. And in this, Nestle also completes 150 years in 1870 and joint ventures with R+R company for frozen ice cream.
About the company, Nestle is the largest food company in the world in terms of revenue. Nestle is the world's largest food beverage company. It is present in 187 countries around the world, and its 291 employees are committed to Nestle's purpose of unlocking the power of food to enhance the quality for everyone today and for generations to come.
Nestle is a public sector company and it is Swiss multinational food and drink processing conglomerate corporation headquartered in Switzerland and largest food company in the world. And Nestle has more than 2,000 brands ranging from global icons to local favorites and are present in 191 countries around the world. And the products are baby food, coffee, dairy products, etc. And the company revenue is 91.43 billion as per 2018. And the net income is 10.46 billions. And the total equity is 58.40 billion as per 2018. And the number of employees were increased in 2019, that is 3,52,000. And Nestle.com is their website. The logos of Nestle. The founder, that is Henry Nestle, was one of the first Swiss manufacturers to build up the brand with the help of logo. The original Nestle trademark based on his family coat of arms, which features the single bird sitting on a nest. This was reference to the family name, means nest in the German.
The market share of the major players of Nestle are Hindustan Unilever has 36.4% market share, and ITC has 30%, and Nestle has 8.2% market share, and Britannia has 6% market share, and Dabur has a 4.3%, and other competitors have 15.1% of market share.
Market share of Nestle has per their products. Dairy and ice cream products has 28%, beverages has 23%, culinary has 16%, and nutrition products has 14%, and water products, that is mineral water, has 10%, confectionery products has 8%, and pet care has 1%.
Product market share of Nestle. As Nestle Cerelac has 97% product market share, and Lacto and Nan has 66%, and Nestle Everyday Product has 44%, and Famous Noodles has 60%, and Nestle Ketchup has 20% of market share, and Instant Pizza has the highest market share in terms of noodles, 76%, and white and wafers like chocolates, Munch, Kit Kat has 64%, and instant Nestle coffee has 51%, and Nestle milk has a 70% market share. The competitors of Nestle are Unilever, General Mills, Kellogg's, Amul, and these are the top competitors of Nestle.
These are the Nestle products which are coffee products, and they are famous too.
And these are the Cocoa Crunch. This is a chocolate type for kids.
These are for diet conscious, and these are named as Nest Plus.
It is a bar one. It is a protein chocolate which helps for engagement.
And Kit Kat is the famous brand, and it is a wafer flavored chocolates.
And everyone knows Munch. It is a hit in the Nestle.
Milky Bar is a children's favorite, and it is an white chocolate based chocolates.
Nestle A Plus is a nutritious food for all.
Maggi are the most renowned product of of Nestle.
Nestle Lacto Grow is a nutritious milk drink in delicious biscuit and vanilla flavor for growing children aged 3 to 6 years.
These are the cereals, multigrain cereals with the milk and fruits for the children's aged 3 and 5.
And Nangro is also a nutritional milk drink for children aged 2 to 5 years. Locations in India. Nestle has a 29 distribution centers and 1700 plus cash distributors, 7000 plus redistributors, and 2600 plus wholesalers. They have 10,000 plus feet on street.
Growth and development. This growth and development is as per the basement of North, East, South, and West. And Nestle has covered 27% in the North, 30% in the East, 31% in the East, 24% in the South, and 18% in the West. And these are the data of 18 and 19.
Growth of Nestle in the rural market. It has covered 6 lakh plus villages, and villages under direct coverage are 52,000, and they have 7 plus redistributors, and wholesale hubs are 2,600 plus wholesalers.
Financial highlights of Nestle. Organic growth has reached 3.6% with a real internal growth of 3.2% and pricing of 0.4%, and growth as supported for a strong momentum of Nestle. Foreign exchange has been reduced the sales by 7.9% due to continued appreciation, but though there was an pandemic, the company has gained majority of the profit, and underlying trading operating profit margin has reached 17.7%, and earnings per share has increased by 3.5%, and cash free flow has been increased for 10.2 billion, and return on investment has increased by 240 basis points, that is for 14.7%, and 14.5 billion were returned to the shareholders in 2020 as the dividend was increased for 5 centimeters, and that is for 2.575 per share. . Conclusion.
Nestle has been earning well for itself and offering ample returns to the society for over 2 to 3 decades now, and still growing its business and product portfolio as no competitors has given matching competition. Positioned as a provider of the healthiest and nutritious food in the market.
And also has major product market strength. And although Nestle company has achieved their mission and objectives, they have to reach, they have to make the less. The pricing has very minimum number of pricing, as many members cannot afford it. And Nestle was also hated, and because of there was a mixation of lead and sodium in the Maggi products. But Nestle company has proved it wrong, and also non-harmful. These are the
references we took.
Thank you.